Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to create project risk logs in Monday.com. Let's start with the first step, creating a new board. In your Monday.com workspace, click Create and then Board. Name this board Project Risk Log. You see, the reason we do this is to have a centralized place for logging, tracking, and managing risks associated with your project. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the columns. You'll need to add columns for risk description, probability, impact, and status. Click on the plus column button and add these columns. Remember, these columns help in providing a quick overview of each risk and its potential impact on the project. Next up, we're going to add items or risks. On your project risk log board, click plus item. Write a brief description of the risk, estimate its probability and impact, and set its status. Now, this is crucial because it ensures that each risk is properly documented and assessed, which is key to effective risk management. Now let's move on to setting up automations. Click on the Automate button and set up a simple automation like, when a status changes to high, notify project manager. Automations will significantly streamline your project risk management process by automating routine tasks. The final step is to add views. Go to the Add View button and select Chart. This helps us because it provides a visual representation of risks, helping you make informed decisions. And there you have it. You've just created a project risk log in Monday.com. This tool will help you recognize, track, and manage project risks effectively and efficiently. Remember, the key to managing risks is not just logging them, but also monitoring and reviewing them regularly. So, make sure to keep your project risk log updated. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.